skills AI can't replace in 2026. Have you noticed how every AI trend video keeps warning you about the jobs AI will replace, but they seldom talk about the ones it can't? If you're tired of hearing the only way to survive the AI invasion is to become a plumber or electrician, this video is for you. If you're wondering which hands on, human centered skills will still have high demand and high pay despite the coming robot invasion, stay with me because I'll share three proven examples you need to know or share. Hi, I'm Roy Prim, niche income strategist and author of the three-book Amazon series, Niche Creation Mastery. I've documented these strategies in detail there, but today I'll give you the fast track version of three profitable AI proof skills besides plumber or electrician. But first, if you had to pick one, which concerns you most right now? 1. Losing income to automation. 2. Facing career burnout. Or 3. Not knowing where your next secure income will come from. Drop a 1 for income loss, a 2 for burnout, or a 3 for uncertainty in the comments to help me tailor future videos for you. Now, let's dive in. Skill number 1. Aesthetic Medical Precision Specialist. AI might analyze lab results faster, but it can't duplicate human touch or judgment in appearance-based medical work. This niche is booming because people in 2026 don't just want cookie-cutter quick fixes. They want natural results with a personal touch. Skills like microneedling, facial balancing, and precision injections demand intuition, muscle control, and real-time feel that no robot can mimic. Even major laws, like New York Senate Bill S7263, restrict AI systems from performing medical aesthetic procedures. For example, things like Botox, lip fillers, or laser treatments, protecting this niche from automation. Income potential? Around $75,000 to $120,000 annually for aesthetic nurse practitioners, and even more for those running boutique cosmetic clinics. Benefit: it combines stable licensing laws, high emotional trust, and aesthetic artistry. Three things AI can't copy. Skill number 2. High-end restoration craftsman. In 2026, AI can design products at lightning speed, but that same speed creates buyer fatigue. More consumers crave unique, authentic, handmade craftsmanship. That's why expert restorers and luxury crafters will thrive. Think antique refinishers, high-end tailors, and custom jewelers. Each project demands adaptability, repairing the texture of 100-year-old wood, fitting fabrics to unique body shapes, or restoring heirloom jewelry. No robot can improvise through the unexpected flaws that give handcrafted items their soul. Income potential? $50 to $200 plus per hour in affluent markets. Benefit? Every item restored adds emotional and financial value, turning legacy craftsmanship into modern luxury income. Skill number 3. Specialized physical therapy. AI fitness apps can tell you how to stretch, but they can't feel your body tighten mid-move or sense your pain threshold through touch. Manual therapy remains one of the most irreplaceable human skills, blending medical knowledge with empathy and microfeedback. Therapists adjust pressure, technique, and recovery plans on the fly, something algorithms can't perceive. Income potential? Physical and occupational therapists earn $95,000 to $110,000 per year, and sports rehab specialists scale even higher. Benefit? It's evergreen because people never stop needing human care to heal. Take Jenna, a corporate marketer who used to fear layoffs. She trained part-time in medical aesthetics, built a client base through Instagram micro-content, and now earns twice her old salary with full creative freedom. Then there's Luis, a former furniture designer who pivoted into high-end restoration on weekends. Within a year, he landed luxury contracts and a 6-month waitlist restoring vintage designer pieces. No AI tool could touch his craftsmanship. Here's an AI prompt to get you started. Just type or paste it into your favorite AI tool to uncover more AI-resistant niche job skills most people overlook. List 5 local service niches in 2026 where human touch, creativity, or physical skill is required and cannot be automated by AI. Include why each skill resists automation and the top income opportunities in relation to supply and demand. After you run this prompt, feel free to drop your favorite idea in the comments so our niche income community can help you polish and refine it to your specific taste. Want the full blueprint? Comment "Fast Track" below. I'll reply with the direct link to my Niche Creation Mastery series, plus a bonus gift. Or you can grab the link right now in the top pinned comment box. And subscribe for more AI-proof niche jobs of the future.